How to turn on and put mid-roll ads on YouTube videos. So as you can see, this channel has a 4 minutes and 6 second video with 172,000 views earning $241. However, this 13 minute and 28 seconds video has only 268 views so far and has made around $2. If this video gets the same 172,000 views, it could potentially generate over $1,200 since the RPM is $7.30, which could also increase over time, leading to higher revenue. And this is because I have added multiple mid-roll ads to this video, which boosting the ad revenue. So in this video, I will show you how to enable and place multiple ads on your YouTube videos to maximize your earnings. So first of all, log into your YouTube channel using a browser, and if you are doing it on a phone, make sure you turn on desktop mode or desktop side on the browser. Now once you're logged in, click on your YouTube profile at the top right and go over to YouTube Studio. This will bring you to your channel dashboard, and make sure you have turned on watch page ads on your videos if your channel is newly monetized. And if you don't know how to enable watch page ads, then what you can do, you can go to earn and monetization section and there select on watch page ads, and under watch page ads click on turn on and then review the watch page terms, and then select on this checkbox and click on accept and next. And here make sure this box also checked. Place ads during video mid-roll, and by checking this box, YouTube might automatically put some mid-roll ads in your videos which are longer than 8 minutes. So your videos need to be over 8 minutes long in order to eligible for mid-roll ads. Now in this menu, click on next and then select whether you want to monetize all your existing videos or you want to do it manually. Here I recommend you to select the first option, all of my existing videos, and at the bottom right, click on monetize all. Now once you do that, all your videos will be monetized with watch page ads. And now you can put multiple mid-roll ads on your longer videos to maximize your revenue. So let me show you how you can do that. Let me go back to my channel dashboard. So once you enable watch page ads on your YouTube channel, now on your YouTube Studio on the left section, select on content. And now you have to select the videos which are over 8 minutes long. By the way, all previous videos which were 8 minutes plus in length, I have already added mid-roll ads on those videos. But here you can see this is a recent video I have uploaded and it is nearly 16 minutes long. That means I can place multiple mid-roll ads in this video. Now once you select the video, first you have to turn on monetization for that video if you have not. And you can directly do it here. Also by selecting this dollar icon and by clicking on this pencil icon, and that will take you to the same page. Now once you select the video, on the left, go over to monetization section of your selected video. Now here first I need to enable monetization for this video. So let me turn it on and let's click on next. And make sure your video does not contain any of these. It should be suitable for advertisers. Now here let's select on none of the above. And at the bottom right, let's click on submit. Now monetization for this video has been turned on, and under here I get the option to turn on mid-roll ads on my video. But if you have monetized all your videos and if you have checked this box while turning on watch page ads, then here also it will be checked. All you have to do is review the replacement, because YouTube sometimes might not put any ads on your videos and sometimes it might put very less amount of ads. So you have to review the replacement. Now here let me check this box and let's click on review replacement. And here I can put multiple ads on this video. So this video is over 15 minutes long, close to 16 minutes. And in this video, I should at least place 4 mid-roll ads in order to increase the ad revenue. And YouTube actually recommend to put at least 2 to 3 ads in a 10 minutes long video and 3 to 6 ads in a 20 minutes long video. However, it is crucial to prioritize viewer experience. Too many ads can actually be disruptive and negatively impact viewer engagement. So you have to be very careful. You have to find a balance between monetization and providing a positive viewing experience for your audience. So don't put too many ads in your videos. And here also you have the option to place automatically. And by doing so, YouTube will automatically put ads on your video. By the way, here I would suggest you to put ads manually and wisely. And in order to add mid-roll ads to your video, first here select the timestamp where you want to place an ad, and then here at the top left, click on ad break. And at this time, an ad has been placed in this video. Now let me select another timestamp and let's click on ad break. And here another ad has been placed. As this video is nearly 16 minutes long, let me put 2 more ads. And that's it. Now here you can see 4 mid-roll ads has been added. Now once you successfully put multiple ads on your longer video, here at the top right, click on continue. And now to save these settings, here again at the top right, click on save. and that's done. That's how you can set up and put multiple ads on your longer videos to boost your YouTube ad revenue. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and if possible leave a comment. And if you want to link your bank account to YouTube and Google AdSense so that you can receive your YouTube payment monthly, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.